Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado puree for your 7-month-old baby. First, select a perfectly ripe avocado. It should yield slightly to gentle pressure. Wash the fruit well, then carefully slice it in half lengthwise. Twist the halves apart, remove the large pit, and then use a spoon to scoop out all the vibrant green flesh into a small bowl. This simple start ensures a smooth, delicious base for your little one. Now it's time to create that perfect, creamy texture. Take a fork and thoroughly mash the avocado flesh until it's completely smooth, with no large chunks remaining. For an even silkier consistency, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of breast milk or formula. This also helps introduce familiar flavors. Stir it in well, ensuring the puree is lump-free and easy for your baby to swallow, making mealtime enjoyable. Once your avocado puree is ready, serve it immediately to your baby. Fresh is always best for taste and nutrient retention. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate promptly. It will stay fresh for up to 1 day. Remember to discard any portion that your baby has already eaten from their bowl to prevent bacterial growth and ensure their safety. Avocado is a fantastic first food, packed with healthy fats crucial for your baby's brain development and overall growth. It also offers a good array of vitamins and minerals, supporting their tiny bodies as they grow. For a final tip, always introduce new foods one at a time to monitor for any allergies. And speaking of great things, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.